Tired of not finding the right platform to launch your service marketplace? Sharetribe is here to change that. Imagine a world where providers can showcase their skills and customers can easily book services that meet their needs. With Sharetribe, you can build a robust platform without any coding knowledge in just a day. 3 key benefits of Sharetribe. 1. Simplified onboarding process for users and providers. 2. Secure payments and flexible booking management. 3. Customizable listings to suit various services and requests. What makes Sharetribe unique? It offers endless customization options and supports payment in 26 countries, making it perfect for scaling your marketplace. Don't wait! Start your 14-day free trial today and launch your service marketplace effortlessly. Click the link below to get started.